In 2005, field data recorders in Arkansas documented 23 XRV operation without any operable cooling tower fans. The chiller endured entering condenser water temperatures of over 105 degrees during the 12 hours it took to repair the tower fan. The 23 XRV chiller operates through conditions where other chillers would simply shut down.
The machine is running without an issue. It's got 107 degree entering condenser water temperature to the chiller itself. Basically what they find out is that it's running about 75% flow, and there's also some other issues with the tower itself.
We operated with over 90 degrees condenser water for days at a time. The tropical storm filled my tower with debris.
The bypass valve was stuck in 80% bypass.
The condenser pumps were undersized.
Our old chillers couldn't do that.
I was really surprised the chiller was still running.
It was operating just fine.